Okay, so hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen find the list of Armstrong number, and we implemented this program and we understood the logic. And in this video, we are going to learn one more logic how to print. Okay, find a strong number. So what's the mean of a strong number? This is not Armstrong number. This is what is a strong number. So what does it mean? For example, I'm writing here one number 153. So what we have to do, just take 1 factorial plus 5 factorial, okay, plus 3 factorial, right? Now add the factorial. 1 factorial is what? 1 and 5 factorial is what? So 5 factorial is 120, right? And what's the 3 factorial? 3 factorial is 6, right? Now add the digits. If you will add the digits, so what number you will get? We will get 127. Okay, 127 is equivalent to this number? No. So this is not a strong number. So what is a strong number? So let me write another number 145. Okay. So just take the factorial of 1, take the factorial of 4, take the factorial of 5. Okay. And now we have to add each factorial. 1 factorial is 1, 4 factorial is 24. Okay, 5 factorial is 120. Okay, now just add all the factorials. So 25, 1 and 24 is 25, and this one is 145. So 145 is equivalent to the original number or not? Yes, it is equivalent. So we will say this is the strong number. Okay, so we have to write the logic. Okay, so what we will do, how we will write the logic? So the thing is, first we will take the last digit and we will calculate the factorial of this last digit. Okay, we will calculate the factorial of this last digit and we will add it. Okay, then take the last digit, add the factorial and add it. Okay, like this we will do. So let's try to write the code. So first I will create the function. Okay, pass nothing. Okay, and we have to take a number from the user, integer input, enter a number. Okay, number entered by the user. After that, we have to call the function by passing this number, and this number function should receive one number. Okay, and after that, for example, number entered by the user is 145. Okay, so we have to calculate the factorial of this last digit. So we should know how to take the last digit and we should know how to calculate the factorial. Two operation we will apply on this number. So first take the last digit. So while number n greater than 0. Okay, so take the last digit means num modulus, I mean n modulus 10 is stored inside what? D. D is nothing but digit. So D equals to 0 initially. Now digit will come and we will calculate the factorial. So for calculating for factorial, I am taking I'm taking for loop for I in range. Okay, so how to calculate for factorial? Just execute this loop until the number, until the digit plus 1. Okay, so 5 factorial means how you will calculate the 5 factorials. 5 factorial means, okay, see, for example, number is 5. So how you will calculate 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? You will calculate like this, or we can say simply what you will do. You will just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you will multiply each number. Okay, so this with the help of for loop, we are generating these all number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and each time we will multiply this. So for multiplying this, we are going to take one variable called fact, and initially fact is 1, and we will write here fact multiply is equals to 1. So each time these values will multiply. Okay, okay, it is what? I, it is I, because I is what? These numbers, na? Okay, so let's write the code. So let's take one factorial. fact is equals to 1 initially, and after that fact multiply is equals to I. Okay, so it's calculated factorial of 5. Okay, just after that come out from the loop, and what we have to do with this factorial. Okay, for example, number is 145. Okay, so after that we have to calculate factorial of 5, factorial of 4, and factorial of 1, right? And once factorial count uh, calculated of this 5, which is, what is the factorial of 5, which is 120. Okay, so store this 120 in a variable, so like s equals to s plus this factorial fact, which is 120. Okay, next time, next digit factorial we have to calculate, 4 factorial we have to calculate and store inside what, s, right? So factorial calculated, just come out from this loop. Okay, okay, after that here we have to write s plus equals to factorial. Okay, s plus equals to factorial, and what is s? S is equals to 0. Okay, so in last, after finishing this loop, after finishing this number, it will give us like addition of all digits factor, and we have to return this. We will return as, right? So return as. Okay, where it will go? It will go here. This statement will replace by as value, and we will check if this function means function num is equals to s, I mean num value, or no. This is nothing but return. Okay, return is nothing but s is nothing but, as is a summation of factorial, right? And if it is equivalent to the original number, then we will say, the what we will say, num strong number. Okay, so let me execute this. So 145. Okay, there is some issue in this code. Okay, what's the problem? What we have to do? It is taking this 5, but it is not able to take the 4. It is always taking this 5 last digit, because we didn't delete the digit. Once you get the digit, just delete the last digit. So we have to delete it here. Okay, so what's the number? Num integer division 10. Okay, 145. So 145 is strong number. Let me take another number, 111. So this is not a strong number, that's why no message is coming. Suppose I have to print find list of all. Okay, strong number. So how I can do it? So I will create one for loop for I in range, so 1 comma num plus 1. Okay, and keep this inside the loop. Okay, so we will call it for I value, and we will match it with I, right? And we will print it here I. Okay, so for example, user entered the number like he want to check like he want to check strong number between 1 to 200. So what will happen here? It will, this loop will start with 1 2 3 up to 200. It will execute, and each time, each number it will send to the function. First it will send 1 to the function, and 1 will come here, and this calculation will perform for find for adding the factorials of that numbers, and it will return as. If s is equivalent to the original number is sent by I, so I is the original number, so we will say strong number, otherwise it is not a strong number. So let me execute this. Let me write the range 200. So these are the strong numbers. Okay, so let me just execute one more time. So this number, so these are the strong numbers, as you can see. So this is how we can write the logics. We can extend the logic. If you don't want to calculate factorial like this, we can use one library called import math. We can import math. Okay, we don't need to write this calculation. Okay, so what we can do basically, if you, okay, let me just comment it. Okay, if you don't want to calculate factorial like this, so otherwise you can write math dot factorial. Okay, math dot factorial, and you can pass here d. Okay, and it will calculate the factorial of digit. Okay, digit means 5 factorial it will give. Okay, then next 4 factorial it will give. Okay, let me execute it one more time. So it is giving factorial. Okay, and it is giving the output same. Okay, otherwise you can write your own logic or you can use library. Okay, so it's up to you, but it's better if you will write your own logic. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you understood this code, please implement the code and paste your code in the comment section of this video, so it will be a motivation for me and I can check your active participation. So thank you everyone for watching this video.